Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to Cik Rahman. So today our group want to present for our question MTS 3203 tutorial. So next. Alright, so for the first question that we get is what's related terminology left with subtraction. So for this question, the term left is the context of subtraction, typically refer to the result or remainder after performing the subtraction operation. For example, if you subtract a number from another, what is left is the amount remaining after the operation. So for example, 5 minus 2. We got 3. So we can say if you subtract 2 from 5, we get 3. So the 3 is the remainder. So the terminology left is using for that question. We have 5 apple and we 2 apple. Alright. We have 5 apple on the tree and 2 apple left the tree. So we can conclude the terminology left with subtraction when 2 apple left the tree. So the answer is 3. That's the terminology left with subtraction. So for the next
one is okay. So for the next one is how to represent this situation with a number involving subtraction. So firstly, we can assume, like imagine Ali has 5 apples. Then his friend Abu wants to take 2 apples that Ali has. So we assume that we have 5 apples, and then Abu take 2 out of the 5 apple, right? And then the number 3 is the balance of the apple that Ali have is 3. So like we see in the image, we have 5 apples. Then Abu take 2 apples, and the balance is 3. So then the number that represents this situation is 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Okay. Then what is the then I want to explain about subtraction related to this question. So subtraction in this context means removing a certain quantity, which is in this case is apple, from an initial total. The operation begins with 5 apples. When 2 apples are taken away, or we call subtract, and then the remaining apples on the plate are 3. So the cube on this side also provides a visual representation of this, with a 5 cube initially, 2 cube being taken away, and 3 cube left. So about subtraction here, answer the question of how many apples are left after taking away 2 from the original of 5. Okay, so we're going to the next question.
Okay, so we move to the question 3. Two commonly used expressions in subtraction are 5 minus 2 and take 2 from 5. Explain the difference context in using the two expressions. Next. So the difference between 5 minus 2 and take 2 from 5 is 5 minus 2 is this is the formal mathematical language typically used in classrooms or formal instruction, and it is directly refers to the subtraction operations and is more precise for use in mathematics or when talking about numbers abstractly. And for take 2 from 5 this is an expression is more conversational and can imply a physical or practical action. It's commonly used in everyday language to describe an action of removing or reducing something from an initial amount and making it a more relatable in non-mathematical context. So the key points here is 5 minus 2 is when we want to focus on the operation arithmetic itself, and take 2 from 5 is when we implies more to practical and everyday life situations.
Surprise! So we are going to move on to question 4. So when looking at the pictures in diagram 1 just now that we show the task, Amin, this is Amin, a boy, he explained the situation as 3 possible reason for Amin's explanation. And second, we will see how we guide Amin to extend his idea of addition to subtraction. Let's go. Okay, let's answer together. So, when I try to think of any possible reason why Amin would explain subtraction as addition, well, I think possible reason is Amin's prior knowledge of addition. As we all know, in our syllabus, we would learn addition before subtraction in mathematical operations. Therefore, even though seeing the number of apples decreasing, he would not have the idea of subtraction yet. So he would try to relate it with the thing he learned before, which is addition. Therefore, I think the possible reason is Amin's prior knowledge of addition. Thus, how do we extend his addition knowledge to subtraction? First of all, I think the best approach is visualization. Since we assume that Amin is a small child, a boy, so of course visualization would be the best method ever. So we thought of using number line to represent the problem. So first of all, when we want to explain the situation back to Amin, we have to mention that we originally have 5 apples altogether, 5 fruits altogether. Therefore, 2 are taken away, and then 3 fruits are left, as shown in the diagram. So when we explain that the number of fruits decrease, it will occur to the kid, Amin, that, oh wait, the numbers are decreasing. It is opposing to the concept of addition that they learned, which is numbers of fruits will increase if addition. So we show it using number line. We say, okay, first we are here at 5, and then we take away 1 first. Then when it decreases, the number before 5 is 4. But we don't take only 1 fruit away, we take 2 fruits. So we jump back, and then we will get 3. Therefore, maybe, perhaps, he will understand that subtraction happens when fruits are decreasing. Hopefully. Although this is just our opinions, if you have any other thoughts, you can drop down your opinions in the comment section below. That is all from us.